Right, this time round, how we're going to look at it is we're going to assume that we've already created our 3 different products that represent the color options. So I have, let's say, manually gone in and added these 3 products. So a red, a green, and a blue. And the way I've done that is I've created the product, and then I've made sure that I've set the color attribute, which is the configurable attribute. I've set that to the color that I want that product to be. Okay, so this is a roundabout way of doing this, an alternative way of doing this, and possibly the way that is more logical, certainly for larger stores where these feeds may be coming in and these products are coming in as individual products, the individual colors are coming in as individual products, and then you're tasked with the job of turning them into a configurable product. Okay, so these products in this situation have already been added to our database. So this time around, I'm going to go through the motions of adding a product again, picking the right attribute set, so I want it in the luggage attribute set, and choosing configurable product again and continuing. Again, I choose the color option as the configurable option, hit continue again, and then I go in and fill in the product detail. Right, and I'll do that the same as I did in the previous video. This time round though, when I go to the associated products, you will see that there are already products that exist. And at the moment and they're not actually attached to this particular configurable product, but it does tell us that these products have a value associated with the color attribute. So we can add them to the product, and to add them we simply just tick the box. Okay, and what you'll see is we add them, they're added here as the option. We can then save this, and these products will now be part of that configurable product. But there's also something else I want to show you as well, and I'm just going to go back to the manage products. Right, I've also created another luggage product that also has the color red. Okay, and just to show you that, go into the luggage specifics, and you can see that that is the same label of red as the original red item. Okay, so I've got 2 luggage items in the luggage attribute set which have the color red assigned to it. Now if I go back to adding a configurable product and go down to the associated products, you can see that there are 2 products that have the label red. Right, let's try and add them. Right, so when I select one of them, you'll notice that the other one is unselectable. Okay, you can only have one product with a particular color on any given product. So if you wanted to go in and add your products in manually, create your configurables manually, then this is another way that you could do it.